When the old man who owned a maize garden died, the baboons celebrated and they were very happy. Ran into the garden to enjoy the maize. They were too happy that nobody could be coming to chase them away. Then the next year, the baboon realized there was no maize in that place. They looked a larger kilometers of circumference because during those days, the village, people used to own large pieces of land like ranches. That is when the baboons came to realize that the man who died was the farmer. And they learned the hard way. They also started dying because of hunger. There was little to nothing to eat. So in real life also, we may have enemies, but at times if we fight to kill the enemies or destroy them completely, we will instead fight ourselves unknowingly. Because not all enemies are real enemies. Some enemies are just imaginary enemies. We need to learn to live with all the people, those we love and those we don't love, coexisting. You may criticize somebody, like the rich always look at the poor. Yet, in the real sense, it is the poor who buy from the rich. It is very rare to see a fellow rich man going to buy from another rich man. It is these poor people who always buy from the rich, who always build the houses of the rich, who always do these casual works like washing clothes. The rich man will not come to work at your place that, my fellow rich man, let me help you today to work. You employ me to be your gatekeeper. No. So we need everyone in life.